Seekers, I'm Nick. You've probably noticed that AORUS has been helping us a lot lately with some really awesome new products to play with, and yeah, they've been helping us get parts for a lot of the builds we've been doing over the last few months. They also sponsored our trip to Computex, so we decided that because of all of their generosity towards us, that we'd show them some more love by creating this week's content around some of their new products. We're gonna call it AORUS Week. Now, not every video this week has got their products in it, but obviously most of the content you'll see will feature some of their new stuff. And I wanted to mention this as well. They didn't pay for these videos. They didn't sponsor any of this week's content. We wanted to make it because, yeah, we believe in paying it forward. Now, with all of that said, AORUS is putting on an event here in Sydney on the 22nd of June called AORUS Fan Fest at M-Wave. That's the right date, right? 22nd of June, Claire?
Yeah.
That sounds right. Okay, now, they asked us if we wanted to attend and hang out with you guys, and they also asked if I wanted to build one machine to have on display at the event. And yeah, that machine is using obviously mostly AORUS and Gigabyte parts. Alex, aka SimpleModz, and I ended up building 2 AORUS-based machines for the event, and we filmed both of those builds. So yeah, let's see what happened. These PCs aren't meant to be showstoppers, they're just to showcase various AORUS parts and display the PCs that people can play games on in-store when they do AORUS Fan Fest. Now, all of the parts are provided by Gigabyte, AORUS, and Cooler Master, and we had no say in what parts that got to be used in the builds at all. So there will be PC part picker lists if you guys are interested in all of that stuff. But anyway, let's do our PC building thing because we haven't done it in a while. So yeah, let's build 2 PCs. Let's talk parts because I'm pretty sure you guys want to know. The motherboards and CPUs that were used in these builds were the Z390 AORUS Pro Wi-Fi with the Intel i3-9350K and the Z390 AORUS Ultra with the i5-9600K. Now, we've built with the Pro Wi-Fi before, and yeah, we've also got another video with the Ultra coming very soon, so stay tuned. Probably tomorrow, actually. Anyway, to cool both CPUs in both systems, we use the AORUS ATC 700 Tower CPU coolers. They have dual 120mm ball bearing fans and full RGB fusion support. The GPUs we used were the AORUS Extreme RTX 2080 Ti in the 9600K system and the Gigabyte 1660 Gaming OC in the 9350K system. Now, both of these GPUs are going to be changed before the event, but this is what we had on hand to use for these builds so we can show them off to you. The RAM we used was 16 gigs of AORUS RGB at 3200 MHz. The kit includes two 8GB DIMM modules as well as two dummy modules to fill in all of your RAM slots. Lastly, the cases. The 9300K system was in the Gigabyte C200 glass mid-tower case, and the 9600K system was built in the Gigabyte AC300W mid-tower case. Alright, let's talk fans and lighting because you guys love all that RGB goodness. All the fans in both systems were Cooler Master MA120R addressable RGB fans. We used 12 fans in total for both systems. Like I mentioned in the intro, the AORUS Fan Fest is on at M-Wave in Sydney on the 22nd of June, and you can go and grab yourself free tickets. There's a link in the pinned comment at the top of this video and also in the description. There'll be a bunch of giveaways and a bunch of new products for you to get your hands on with and all that stuff, and also Claire and I will be there, so there's that too. So yeah, we hope to see some of you guys there. Also, guys, if you're interested in any of the parts in these builds, there's links in the description, and there's like PC part picker lists with all the builds done there. So if you guys want to know how much they all cost, that's all that information there too. Also, if you want to help support the channel, consider supporting us on Patreon. There's a link to that in the description. Also, all the music that I make on the channel, yes, that's right, I make all the music here on the channel. You can find that on our Patreon as well. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do. Tell us what you hated about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek, and yeah, we hope to see you at AORUS Fan Fest on the 22nd. Also, we're going to Supernova that weekend. We're going to be at the Fortnite booth doing Fortnite things, which is a little bit different from us, but yeah, we just want to hang out with you guys. We want to get more hands-on with you guys, although hands-on is probably the wrong word to say for that. I'd probably end up going to jail, but you know what I mean. Thanks for watching.